So this is another factoring exercise. We saw a similar factoring. Remember that one where we did the 4 times -3 is -12 and all that? But there's an issue here is we don't have the same trig function here. You're not going to be able to do that kind of factoring on this as it's written. You would need it all to be all the same trig function. This is a cosecant and a cotangent. All right, but at least, remember in the fundamental identities here, it said, this one here. Oh, I guess I don't have that there. It was actually in the guidelines. It says, understand, cosecant and cotangent kind of go together, right? I've got substitutions for that. So which am I going to substitute for here? Am I going to try to make this all cotangent or all cosecant? All cotangent, right? Because I can substitute for cosecant squared in terms of cotangent. I don't have a substitution for just cotangent by itself. Right? So remember, the identity is 1 plus cotangent squared x equals cosecant squared x. So I can substitute here for the cosecant squared x. 1 plus cotangent squared x. And I still have this minus 3. And then I've got a couple terms I can combine. Right? That would be minus 2. Okay, now you're going to think of the fact that's a simple quadratic. Right? If you think of it like x squared minus x minus 2, how would it factor? -2 and 1, right? This would be x minus 2 times x plus 1. So this is cotangent of x minus 2 times cotangent of x plus 1. Right? Factor is exactly the same. Just you got to make sure it's all got to be the same trig function. Can't be a mix of trig functions. We factored. Right? What happens to the x squared when we factor? We factored it. If you want, FOIL it, and you'll get a cotangent squared back again.